Welcome WBP stars. My name is Yornie van Dijk, chef and owner from restaurant Basiliek in Harderwijk, the Netherlands. Today, together with Samuel Lindeman, my sous chef, we prepare a course in our 7-course menu. We have the turbot. Turbot from the North Sea. It's one of my favorite fishes out the North Sea. The turbot is like a really flat fish. On top, the thicker fillets, and underneath the belly fillets, a little bit thinner. But we use the bigger parts underneath. We brine them for like 12 minutes. After that, we put some sea lettuce on top. It's from the Oosterschelde in Zeeland. Then we make a farce from the thin fillets, together with egg white, a little bit of whipped cream, salt and lemon, till we put it in a Maggi mix, till smooth, and we have a nice cream of the fillets, like the farce. And then from the outside, we use kohlrabi leaves. So we have a nice package. We put it in a steamer from 49 degrees for 25 minutes. After that, we let it rest in fridge till we can use it. We combine it with some different preparations of kohlrabi. We have 3 preparations of kohlrabi. The first one is we cook them in a stock from the sea lettuce from the Oosterschelde. And on top, Samuel put some powder of the sea lettuce. After that, we have we bake them in a salt crust in the oven for like 180 degrees for till 2 hours. The size matters how long we need it. And after that, we put a stock on it made from the skin from the kohlrabi. So we use the whole kohlrabi product. That is the story about the dish. The last one we have is the one we cooked in a fermented kohlrabi juice. We put the kohlrabi in a juicer and we put it in a special bucket. We put some 2% salt on it and let it in the bucket for 2 weeks. After that, we pass to a fine sieve and we can use it for cook the kohlrabi in it. Of course, we get the whole turbot. I clean it. Of course, you have the bones for the turbot. We roast it in the oven. After that, we make a classic fish stock from it. This is the base of the sauce. We make the sauce with the beards of the turbot. The name in Dutch is vlerk. We call it vlerkjes. It's the beard is like the part between the fin and the fillet on top. It's very fatty. It's like I call it a little bit like the wagyu from the meat. It's like the turbot. It's very fatty. So what I do, I bake it in a pan with burnazet, and then I mix it with butter. And when we have the butter, I put it piece by piece in the stock, so we have a like thicker sauce. It's very delicate. It's very nice to use the whole turbot. And we put the sauce on table on the dish, of course. Then we prepare the side dish from the turbot. We start with a salad we made of the stems of the kohlrabi. And also we make the cream of the sea lettuce. When the sea lettuce is coming inside, it's really salty, but we wash them for a couple of hours. And then we put it in a blender, turn nice cream till smooth. We put some salad on the dish. And together Samuel is make the vlerk in the pan. With some oil and some butter till nice golden brown. I put some juice on from the kohlrabi. It's also like a little bit fermented, but not so long. We put the kohlrabis, the inside of the kohlrabis in the juicer, and we do it only for 1 week in the bucket. So we have a little bit the fermented flavor, but not that much. Otherwise it's too heavy in the dish. And we combine it with an oil of the leaves from the kohlrabi. So everything comes together, the leaves, the inside, the outside, the nicest part, the not so nice parts from the turbot and also from the kohlrabi. Like here we have the flag. And we make some cream from the roux-sac. It's the kuit of the turbot. I smoke it a little bit for 30 minutes. We make a cream of it. And on top we put a little bit salad, chiffonade, from the leaves from the kohlrabi. Together with the sauce, we put it on a table. Is this the whole dish? Enjoy. Thank you.